In today's YouLi how-to, we're going to talk about linking your Google Analytics account to your YouLi account. This will enable you to track clicks and visits to your YouLi trips. Go to your name in the right-hand corner and click Account, and from there, click in the Branding tab. Once you're in the Branding tab under your YouLi account, you're going to see a place for you to enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. You find that Google Analytics tracking ID by going to your Google Analytics account, and once you're in there, go down to Admin at the bottom of the left side. From there, you're going to see a tab for Property Settings, and within that Property Settings tab, you're going to find that Google Analytics tracking ID. You copy and paste that Google Analytics tracking ID into the place you see designated on your YouLi account. Once you have that in there, go down to the bottom and click to check to see if your YouLi account is now attached to your Google Analytics. Go to your dashboard, and once in dashboard, click on your trip. Once within your trip, go to your Manage People tab in the menu, and you're going to view as one of your travelers. When you view as one of your travelers, go back to the Google Analytics, and as you see, then you're going to notice that there's now someone viewing the trip. Now, it's important to remember that if you click the Preview Trip page, it's not going to show via your Google Analytics, so be sure to view as a traveler via Manage People.